Hello, guys, and this is the series where I'm building whole app for a real business, start to finish, and why you should listen to me. So I'm Radek. I build custom software and automations and AI stuff for small or medium companies. I've built business apps, I've built internal tools, I've built document processing stuff, automations. I've even built some of my own apps. Some are deployed on iOS, on App Store. I'm building websites for more than 3 years, so I have plenty to share. And what we are building, we are building working app that is not a demo, that could be used by a real business, where documents and data go in that people could use, and we can use also an AI to work in it. And it would be from the user interface to database to AI to basically getting it alive. And this would not be a chatbot or like something that is working only for a showcase. That would be something that a real company could run and could use. And why I can show you this, because it's what I do for a living, and many of the apps are already running. And I also do not discovering this on a camera. I've built many of apps before, so I know what to do, where to look at, and how to build it. And at the moment, I do not type most of the code. Basically, my agents do. I have a build up of brain, knowledge base, etc. for the bots to use. And mainly I'm doing basically a project management for bots, and telling them what to do, how to do it securely, etc. And basically this was just the first episode that should tell you why you should listen to me and what we are going to do. And this, as I already told, it would be in a series on building the app, connecting it to the database, using an AI. We would have a look into the tools that are good to use with AI, coding agents, and much more. So let's build it, and we would start it at next episode.